how to connect Epic Games account to Marvel Rivals account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Marvel Rivals account to your Epic Games account. So let's get started. Instead of logging in directly with your Epic Games account into Marvel Rivals application on your PC, head to your Google and search for Marvel Rivals. Here, scroll down and click on the official website of Marvel Rivals, that is marvelrivals.com. So just click on it and you'll be redirected to an interface of Marvel Rivals. So over here, you need to click on login over here. And once you click on login, you'll be able to see a couple of accounts through which you can log in. So you got to select Epic Games. So just click on Epic Games. I had already signed into my Epic Games account on my Chrome, so that is why they didn't ask me for any email or password again. So here it's just written that the Epic Games can share your display name, language preference, and link accounts, and also allow the application to display your online status. So if you wish to learn more about the permissions, you can click on these permissions over here and then click on the allow button, and your Epic Games would be linked to your Marvel Rivals account. And after that, all you have to do is go to your Marvel Rivals application on your PC and then log in into your Epic Games account on your Marvel Rivals application. And after that, all of your data of Marvel Rivals will be synced into your Epic Games account automatically. So that is basically how you can link your Marvel Rivals account to your Epic Games account. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.